The Polycom VVX 101 is a one-line display SIP phone with a single Ethernet port and delivers enterprise-grade sound quality and a wide range of benefits. The VVX 101 improves productivity for home office or common areas such as lobbies and break rooms through its simple operation. It reduces deployment, administration, and maintenance costs. It leverages previous investments in SIP, and it's easy to integrate with third-party unified communications applications. The main menu of the VVX 101 has icons and status indicators to help phone navigation. The call screen is displayed during an active call or when a call is on hold. The line screen is displayed when the phone is idle. It shows the phone's assigned lines as well as favorites. Placing and answering calls on the VVX 101 is simple. Dial using the 12-key dial pad or select a favorite on screen. Calls can be placed and answered using the handset, speakerphone, or headset. To switch among these modes during a call, simply press the button for the desired device. To place a call on hold from the call screen, press the Hold soft key. Held calls can be viewed from both the call and line screen. To resume a held call from either screen, select the call and select Resume. The VVX 101 can use analog type headsets. Once connected, the phone can be set up to automatically use the headset for all calls. The Polycom VVX Business Media Phone portfolio offers the leading IP desktop solutions in the market today. For more information, please visit polycom.com.